Good day everyone, welcome to Emmhi Buzz channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to post on Instagram because not everyone knows how to post on Instagram. So the first thing you have to do is get your image. So how do we get our image? You click on the search bar on your Instagram account. So whether you're choosing the hero money or the rough money. So I do normally call this rough money, so anyone can do. So how do you post? So this is where you can get your image and post for your Instagram accounts. So click on one of the image that you want to crop. So this one I want to use. So just screenshot it. So that, crop it out. So what next we want to do now is to post it on our Instagram account. So click the plus icon. You can make use of the down plus icon or the up icon, so anyone wants to use. So it is still the same. So click on it. So click on the arrow. Click again. Now this is where we are going to do the necessary things on how to make our story, our Instagram account reach a lot of audience. So this is where we are making use of hashtag. This place you don't have to write anything. You already have content you want to caption content that you want to post on Instagram every day. So you don't need to be craft any idea how to maybe want to tell people about what you're doing. This is what I normally post on my Instagram and I don't change it, so I don't stress myself. So I'll teach you on how to get your hashtag. So you can just say click the link in my bio if you are maybe you are into entrepreneur trying to or this type of affiliate marketing. So you can just input your link in your bio. So you can just say click the link in the bio to say if you are eligible to get free access to my training. So you can just do something like that. That's what caption you can use if you are into affiliate marketing. Then that's why you can get audience. Input your WhatsApp group link or your landing page link. You input it there so people get to know more about your business or your product or the type of course you are selling. That's why you can make use of it. And people will start clicking the link if they are interested or not. So if they are not interested, they won't click it. But if you are into this kind of money niche, you can make use of it to boost your affiliates just by telling them to learn more about your free training or all this kind of how to make money online, all this stuff. So blah blah blah. You can make use of it. So after that, if you are doing entrepreneur, you can also make use of this hashtag to get more if you are doing entrepreneur. You are doing affiliate marketing or we are selling products or maybe like clothes, shoes. You can make use of this hashtag. But there's a way you can also get your hashtag for your own clothes too. But the caption must be different because you can't be using the same caption for this money niche because you're into entrepreneur selling products or service. You just have to write the caption about the shoes you want to post on your Instagram page or the clothes you want to do or all this kind of necklace. So it's all this kind of stuff like that. So make sure you write the caption for them and the name of the shoe you want to post. So I think you know what I mean by that. So tag people. Always tag people because it really is a lot. So I'll be using I'll tag Emmhi marketing service. Then you can also make use of these people I'm tagging. The money reach like 14. The Chinonio 690. So another one also for billion marketing. Just for up to like 4 to 5 people. Just tag up to like 4 to 5 people. So that's all. So always do it for all your posts every day. Always do it like that. So click on the marketing. So about the location, always add a foreign location. Don't just add your own Nigeria location to your post. But if you are sending people to what do you call this? Maybe you are in Nigeria that you are doing all this kind of affiliate marketing. Because you want to choose your location, you can make use of your Nigeria location. But for this one, you can make use of London or US. Just type the one you want to make use of. So you can also add music to it. So anyone you like, you just add one. So now to boost post, I'll be teaching you more about it. So that's what you have to do now, how to post. Then click the mark icon. Then you are done posting on your Instagram page. So double click on it or love it or give it a like. Then share it on your story, because sharing it on your story can also help you to boost your profile so it will reach more people. Because some people normally click to check the story, they are not interested in your post like that. So you can also gain followers through your story. So click on how to post. Then after that, click the arrow here. Then share it. Click on done. So that's how you post on your Instagram. If you really enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs like and subscribe to our channel. Then turn on the notification bell to get more videos on how to